All right, welcome to the question 10a. A cylindrical tank has a volume of 404,250 liters. The base radius of the tank is 1/3 the height. We are finding in meters the radius and the height of the tank, then the curved surface area. Let's see if we can make a sketch. I don't have a space, so I'm going to use this area to make the sketch of what the cylindrical tank will be. From here to here is the radius. Then from here all the way here is what? The height. Now we are saying that the height is what? The radius is 1/3 the height, meaning this radius, where can I put it? Let me put it here. This radius is what? 1/3 times what? The height. These are all the information we know. The total volume is also given, so we begin with what? Volume of a cylinder. All right. But there's another condition here. We are giving the volume in liters, but we are looking for the answers in meters. So it means that what is the dimension of volume in terms of meters? That is going to be meter cube. So what is 1 cubic meter? We know that 1 cubic meter equals to thousands of what? A liter. So if I'm having 1 equals to 1,000, or better still, 1,000 liters give me 1 word meter cube. So if I'm having this, which is more than this, it means it will be more than 1. So if more, let's divide. I want to conserve space, so I'm dividing this by 1,000 to get the volume. So volume will now become, let me write in full, dividing this by 1,000 will give you 404.25 meter cube as the volume given to us. So now we can also say that volume of a cylinder is the base area πr² times what? The height. But do we know what the radius is expressed in? It is in terms of what? The height. So I should be having 404.25 equals to 22/7 times 1/3 h all square times what? H. This h is here. 1/3 r, and h is representing what? The r. Fast forward, we can have our 404.25. This is going to be 1 square h square. That will be 1 square will be 1, h square will be what? H square times this will be h cube times 22. So 22 h cube divided by 7 times what? 3 square is also what? 9, which is the same as what? 22 h to the power 3 divided by what? 63. Alright, so here I am going to multiply through by this denominator here will give me 404.25 times 63 equals to 22 h to the power what? 3. So we divide both sides by 22. So your h cube will just be equals to, can we divide that directly and see? If I have 404.25 multiplying 63 and the result is divided by 22, we should be having 1157.625. But attention is on h, so h equals to the cube root of 1157.625. We can do that on our calculator, and that should be giving you 10.5. So therefore, the height is going to be 10.5 meters. We are leaving the answer in meters. So we know the height. What is next? The next is to find what? The radius. If I know the radius and know the height, then I cannot venture into the curved surface area. So right here, I can say that radius equals to 1/3 times the height, 10.5. If you do that, and that will be giving you 3.5 what meters. So the Roman number 1 that we have, I think I've already have therefore here. So therefore, the radius is going to be, let me take away this, 3.5 what meters. All right, let's go for the Roman number 2. We know the curve surface area is equals to 2 pi h what? 2 pi r(h). So here we only need substitution, 22 on 7, radius, 3.5, height, 10.5. We don't need any math cancellation. We can just put all these into calculator. 2 times 22 times 3.5 times 10.5. All of this divided by what? 7. Then we can easily conclude and say that our answer is going to be 231 curved surface area, so meter what square. So the curved surface area, do I have all the values in there? 2 times 22, 3.5, 10.5 over 7. Good. So that will give you the curved surface area after knowing the radius and that of what the height. I believe well explained. If you understood every concept of it, don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.